Hello student, welcome to you in this video. In this video we will learn time, that is chapter 12. So student, before learning the time we have to complete this exercise that is given in your book page number 150. So do with me this exercise. First one is done by book, that Rohan wake up at 6 o'clock. Second one is he goes to school at dash o'clock, means that when he goes to school at 7 o'clock. So you have to match this by 7 o'clock. Next one is he comes back from school at dash o'clock. When he come back at 2 o'clock. So you have to match this sentence by 2 o'clock. Next is he does his homework at dash o'clock. He complete his homework at 4 o'clock. Next is he goes to the park at dash o'clock. He goes to park at 5 o'clock. He takes dinner with his family at, when he take his dinner at 9 o'clock. And last is he goes to bed at dash o'clock. When he goes to bed at 10 o'clock. So this is the exercise. Next is, look at this clock. The clock has two hands. First hand is long hand. This is the long hand, and long hand called minute hand. It shows time in minutes. And the short hand of clock is called the hour hand. It shows the time in hours. The front face of clocks, this is the front face. It shows, it is called the dial, and it is divided into 12 equal parts. So student, first read time when minute hand is at time. First we will learn reading of time when our long hand means minute hand is at 12. In this clock our long hand is at 12 and our short hand is at 9. This clock shows the time 9 o'clock. The two dots 9 o'clock. These two dots separate the time into hours and minute. This is hour and this is minute. The minute hand is at 12 and our hand is at 9. So the time is 9 o'clock. Next exercise that is given in your book 12.1. In this exercise, question number 1 is, look at the clock carefully. These are clock, and look at this clock and write the time shown by the clock in two different ways. We have to write the time in two different ways. First way is write the time by double dot, and second is we have to write by words it. That first one is, in this clock time shows in 6 o'clock. Our hour hand means our long hand is at 12 and our short hand is at 6. So 6 o'clock time this clock shows. Next is our second clock shows, in this clock our short hand is at 8 and our minute hand is at 12. So this clock shows 8 o'clock and we have to write it 8 double dot double 0. And second way to write the time, that is 8 o'clock. In our third clock, time shows 5 o'clock. How? Look at the clock. Our long hand is at 12. Long hand means minute hand. Minute hand is at 12 and our short hand means our hour hand is at 5. So this clock shows the time, that is 5 double dot double 0, 5 o'clock. You have to write in both ways 5 o'clock. Our next clock shows the time 3 o'clock, because in this clock our minute hand is at 12 and our hour hand is at 3. So the time shows 3 o'clock. We have to write it by 3 double dot double 0 and 3 o'clock. This is the two way to write the time. Next, our 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, you have to do it by yourself. Next question is, draw the hour hand and minute hand on the given clock to show the time given. In this question, you have to draw both hands, short hand and long hand, by looking the time shown by the given, that is written below the clock. First is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock means our hand is at 9. Our hour hand is at 9 and our minute hand is at 12. It is 9 o'clock. Next is 4 o'clock. It means that our short hand means our hour hand is at 4 and our long hand means our minute hand is at 12. It is 4 o'clock. Next, both the question you have to do yourself. Next, we will read how to read the time when minute hand is at 6. The minute hand has crossed halfway around the clock. It is at 6. The time is half past the hour, or it is 30 minutes past the hour. Our hand is beyond 8. So the time in the above clock is half past 8 o'clock or half past 8. It is also written as 8:30 or 30 minutes past 8. In this exercise 12.2, look at the clock carefully and write the time shown in two different ways. First one is done for you. First one is in hour. Hour hand is beyond 1. Beyond 1 means 1 से आगे. And our minute hand means long hand is at 6. It means that half part is covered by the minute hand. It means this is half past 1 and we have to write is 1 double dot 3030. Next is question number 2. In this clock our hour hand is beyond 9 and our minute hand is at 6, it means that our minute hand is covered 30 minutes past. So this clock shows half past 9 and we have to write it by 9 double dot 3030. Hopefully all of you understand how to read and write the time that is shown by the clock. Next is draw the hand and minute hand on the given clock to show the time given. This is the clock. First one is show that 4:30 means our hour hand is beyond 4 and our minute hand is at 6. It shows 4:30 and you can say that it half past 30. Next question, second, third and fourth you have to do yourself. Hopefully all of you understand how to draw shorthand and minute hand by showing time. Do it in your PC copy. Your copy will be checked during your physical classes. Till then students, bye.